Welcome to the Bio-Vigour YouTube channel. I'm on the phone now with Doctor. Wait,
I don't play like that. Let's do it professionally at the same time funny.
no, wait, I'm on the phone quickly. Okay, now I'm done. Hi guys, how are you? Are you good?
That was disturbing though. I got this. I get what you wanted to do. It's fine.
Yeah, now I'm okay now. What do you want to speak about today, Sister
No,
Palma?
we're just gonna talk about basics of IV therapy or either
Okay.
like services that we do offer in here.
Okay, I
You just
understand.
want to start like this.
Yes, I think it's cool. Welcome to the Bio-Vigour YouTube channel, guys. This is Sister Palma. This is Ricky.
Okay, this is our first YouTube video.
Number one, first of
It's
many.
boring.
No, it's not boring. People like this.
Okay, guys, this is the Palma from Bio-Vigour Clinic. We say enhance your body energy internally. We're based in Midrand, closer to Mall of Africa. This is Ricky, so not guys, but informative man. Let's hear, let's go,
So
let's move.
I have a question for you, Sister Palma. So I'm an athlete, guys. How can athletes benefit from IV therapy? What are some things that athletes can benefit from? How can they?
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, IV drips. Firstly, they are done by professional nurses or either a doctor. So what we put in here is vitamins: vitamin B12, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, magnesium, calcium. So all these are nutrients. We eat them from our daily meals. Natural vitamins. So magnesium, for athletes, to answer his question, it helps with muscle recovery, memory as well. Calcium helps with your joints. You want to run? Your joints should be strong, alright? We need calcium. We also get calcium, yes, from milk, from the dairy products. But is that enough? The answer is no. Do we eat yogurt every day, dairy products every day?
No.
No. So if you don't do that, you cannot tell us that you have enough calcium. So with these vitamins, it gives 100% absorption and it covers you for the whole month.
Wow.
So if you get these nutrients, trust me, you'll be the best athlete.
Okay, that's interesting. And you know, most athletes, they get like knee injuries and joint injuries, so it can help you with recovery from that as well. It's quite good. It's quite good.
Exactly. And if you have injury, you ran, you're feeling so much pain, we do give some diclofenac, like Voltaren, and it's good for pain and inflammation, hey?
Okay. Okay. Because you know, we have a lot of runners also that they come here to the clinic, and many of them have claimed that the drip actually increases the amount of times they can train, their recovery, and also it helps them with their times. So if you are a runner, this is a very, very good option for you before the race and after the race. And tell me, Sister Palma, when is like the optimal time before the competition? A few days, a few weeks? How many days before should they come to do the
Okay,
drip?
so with IV therapy, like we said, it's just natural vitamins. You can come even a day before, then you run, or you can come even after running or after your activity. So we don't really have to specify when, how, or maybe side effects or anything. No side
No
effects,
side
no
effects.
complication. The complication is that you're going to feel good.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
so you're saying there's no side effects, nothing of that sort. That is awesome, and I'm actually very proud to actually bring this video because I believe more people should be aware of IV therapy as an option to feel better, to relieve anxiety-induced symptoms. Magnesium also helps with anxiety. So mental health patients come through. You know, many mental health patients actually have a chemical imbalance. Sister Palm, is that correct?
Yeah.
So maybe like vitamins can actually help them feel a bit better.
Exactly. You know, they relieve stress, they relieve anxiety, they give you more energy, relief from fatigue. If you usually wake up with an alarm, oh no, trust me, you want snooze an alarm. And to go back to side effects, we cannot say there's no side effect at all. You know, it could be a little bit of a headache, but it's a rare thing to actually like get, because with us we first do health assessment before administering the drip. What we do, we do history taking. That's number one. We check if you have any allergies, we check if you have any genetical history, family history. You know, that's what we firstly do. We check your blood pressure, your blood glucose. Are you diabetic or not? Do you have any hypertension? Like, for example, we have different sizes of this. So we have a small one, which is a 200 ml. This is sodium chloride. So we can actually give it to anyone, everyone, but we are not giving drip to actually like clients who suffer from cardiac or renal, those who are in dialysis as well. And then together, when it comes to hypertension and controlled blood pressure, we can't give you a later, guys. We can't, because that sodium will always restrict you from taking a lot of sodium when you are hypertensive. So that's why we become so careful. So I wouldn't say there are no side effects, but with us, we make sure that we give class. We make sure that we have trained professionals to give you this IV therapy, so safe, with safe dosages.
Yes. And you know, I believe a lot of people stop themselves from coming because they have so many questions. I think, you know, their questions won't be answered because they don't trust, hey, is this a professional? But we can assure you, Sister Palmer, she studied at the University of Pretoria. She has the proper experience in the nursing sector, and she will be able to answer most of the questions that you have. And it's quite a straightforward answer, but you know, it's the lack of information that actually scares people away. But famous people, the CEOs, they've been doing this for decades, so why shouldn't the common man or woman use this to enhance their life? And what you're investing in here is not actually your health, it's the compound effect that having good health will, you know, have on your life. Because if you have more energy, you can spend more time with your children. If you have more energy, you can get more done at work. If you're sleeping better, you'll feel less sore, which means it's all about productivity. With endless energy, you can create anything you want in life. And that's what you're investing in here. You're investing in more success, you know?
Wealth. You know?
Yeah.
So imagine your body doesn't even have energy, you have low iron.
Yes.
Having low iron, I mean, like,
yes, very.
That's so difficult, you know?
Yeah.
You have low iron, more fatigue, you're tired, feeling dizzy. Sometimes you can even collapse. Oh Lord.
Yes.
You don't want that. You don't want that. You wanna be energetic so that you can be able to think, because vitamins, they also increase your concentration levels.
Yes.
So that you can be able to be wealthy.
Yes.
You know? So these IV vitamins, honestly, very good. Super. So you really have to get this.
And Bio-Vigour Clinic, we actually a one-stop shop for most medical, you know, so if you want to do blood tests, if you would like to do family planning, we also offer those services. And especially here in South Africa, the youth should be more aware about family planning, and I believe it doesn't get talked about enough, and that's why we actually here on YouTube to share information. And in the comments, leave any questions that you have or anything that you would like us to speak about, because we all about empowering people through information, and that's what our role will be on this channel, is to inform, to educate, and so that you can make better decisions. Because a lot of information has been withheld to the public about health, but since we actually have the internet now, it's becoming more available and people are becoming smarter, and the more smart you become, the more you can offer to the world. And that's what we love by Bio-Vigour Clinic, by improving people's lives.
We actually bringing positivity into your life, guys. I love the fact that he said it's a one-stop shop. Did you say that?
One-stop shop, yeah.
One-stop shop, ne?
Yes.
It's a beautiful word. Yeah, so it means, what does it mean?
It means that if under one roof, we can help you in many different ways. Besides IV therapy, we can help you with virtual consultations. We have an amazing team of doctors that will be willing to sit down with you in the comfort of your own home. You can sit in with your phone and our doctor can be speaking with you. We can issue a sick note, we can do prescriptions for yourself, and it's all done in actually we've had quite a few great reviews about how good our service is. So, you know, we try to maintain that level, that standard, because we believe you deserve that. So yeah, virtual consultations we offer family planning, we offer IV drip therapy, and on top of that we have a partnership with Kaitai Spa. So at all the Kaitai Spas in Gauteng, Moreletta Park, Erasmia, Alberton, Randburg, I believe I'm not missing one, eh? I think that's all of them.
Nothing you mentioned. Okay, you know, I'm so happy that you spoke about family planning. Has been talking about family planning. I don't know, guys, if maybe Are you
Maybe I
planning?
am planning a family, but I'm planning in advance because it all starts here. So the more knowledge you have, the more you'll understand. Hey, okay, this is how it goes.
Okay, so I got this information from, is it, what do we call this?
Implanon,
Organon.
organon.
Yeah, it's a company Organon.
I'm also still learning, guys. So forgive me if I mess up the pronunciation or stuff. But yeah.
Okay, so we got this information from Organon. They are more into women's health, guys. So I just love the fact that it's been emphasizing, talking about family planning, family planning. We don't just do IV drip only, but plan your family. We bring positivity, like we said. We don't bring problems, we bring solutions, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you can know that people, men and females, who are doing the things without protection, 85 in 100 women fall pregnant.
Wow. 85 in
This is a
100.
research from Organon. So I just want to tell you something about family planning, guys. These are the things that you consider when you come here at Bio-Vigour Clinic. Consider, please. And I just want to emphasize a bit on reliability of various contraceptive methods. So when it comes to, we have Implanon, remember that, we have IUD, we have pills, we have all those kind of contraceptives. But it goes with how reliable it is. So number one, we have Implanon. Implanon, in 1 out of 1,000 women might have a risk of falling pregnant.
Wow, that's
In 1,000, only
that's
one.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
if
great
you-
odds.
Yeah, if you can put Implanon 2,000 women, only one who might fall
Wow.
pregnant, have a chance to fall pregnant, or
Wow.
a risk, let me say so. Yeah. And then when it comes to sterilization,
Yes.
we're talking even about male vasectomy. Maybe you should consider that, right?
I'll think about it, but I need more research and I need to understand better. And you know, there's many young men out there that probably is considering, but they don't have the information. But that's why we're here, guys, so we can inform you, so that you can make better decisions, and so that you can be well informed.
Yeah,
we need to be yes, we need to be aware of the reality. People, they want to become intimate with their partners, and sometimes, you know, certain issues can, you know, stop you from building a strong bond. And the thing about life is, it's all about creating memories and having people in your life that you care about. And sometimes, you know, these things about like family planning, it can all, you know, it can mess up a lot of good relationships. But if you make informed decisions, and even if it's a mistake, at the end of the day, you learn from it and you become a better person. So, you know, that's what life's about, in my opinion. And
Yeah.
you know, just having this information out, I feel like, you know, we can't actually look back, because hey, what if our parents knew about this stuff? Then we wouldn't have been
About
born.
vasectomy.
And then we wouldn't have been born.
We
So
wouldn't even be having single mothers, because sometimes we have single mothers because we women, we trap.
but don't do that, guys. We're laughing because it's for comedic, but don't do that. It's very bad.
Yeah, because like vasectomy should really be there, but it's quite expensive.
We actually discussed this a few days ago. We believe that, you know, contraceptives were marketed to the wrong race. I'm sorry, the wrong
Gender.
gender. Sorry, the wrong gender. Like why aren't vasectomies pushed enough? And you can undo it, right?
Vasectomy.
You can undo the knot.
Okay.
Exactly. So
And the chance for that, the risk, 1.5 in 1,000 women can fall pregnant. So the risk is very less, guys. And when it comes to IUD, we have copper IUD, hormonal IUD, which is levonorgestrel. You know, with those, it's about like 7 out of 1,000 women who can fall pregnant out of it. You know, IUD, it's actually a loop. We put it here. We do here. Bio-Vigour Clinic, we do
one-stop
it.
shop for everything medical, with some exceptions. However, if we aren't able to serve you, we will definitely refer you to one of our trusted colleagues. So yeah.
Okay, and then we have injections. Injections, we're talking about Depo, Nasrate, the ones on the bum, you know, those ones, ne? Chance of falling pregnant. If we give those injections to 1,000 women, around 40.
Wow.
Got a risk of falling pregnant. So meaning that Implanon remains number 1, and then sterilization number 2 in terms of reliability.
The
Yeah.
effectiveness.
So when it comes to a pill, contraceptives, if we give pills to 1,000 women, 70, there's a chance of them falling pregnant. Some is due to herpes, Some is due to them skipping the pill. We forget, you know. Yeah.
So, what would, sorry to interrupt you, what would you recommend young women do to actually not forget about taking it? Like setting reminders on their phones, or what? Like, what's a good way?
Exactly, setting reminders on your phone, guys. It's
Okay.
so important, you know, so that you do not forget. And also asking those pills, what are they contraindicated with? Could be some drug interaction, you know. You must consult with your practitioner that if I take this antibiotic, won't it affect my contraceptive pill? Those are the
Yes.
things to consider as well. Reason we have this high risk of women falling pregnant while they're taking their pill.
We don't want that, because
Sometimes it's
yeah,
like we trapped you.
sometimes it's just you forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah, that happens to the best of us, you know. But I think also like communication with your partner is always key. I feel like sometimes as gentlemen, we get too excited, we forget to ask these important questions. It's stuff that we should also take responsibility for. If I'm being totally honest, there's two sides of the same coin. So yeah, gentlemen, ask your partner, you know, did you take your pill? Are you on anything? Because another thing, I just saw something on YouTube. It's like, when women are on these different contraceptives, it affects your hormones.
Yeah.
So sometimes, you know, there might be patches in your relationship where, you know, there's not a lot of chemistry, not a lot of attraction anymore. It's because the hormones are changing. So you need to communicate openly with your partner. I'm on these things. These are the side effects. Sometimes I can be like this. It's all about communication, guys.
Yeah,
You know,
and also if you have a partner, I mean, like when they go do this family planning contraceptive, it's good to accompany them.
yes,
Please
accompany
meet.
them. Accompany
Yeah,
them.
but even those you don't have anyone to accompany, please come.
Yes.
Please do. Okay, so we also got vaginal ring. Most people, they are not informative about this one. You know, vaginal ring, you can even prescribe it online. Telehealth, we have telehealth, like you said,
Yes.
virtual consultation. So with vaginal ring, we do this prescription, go collect it at the pharmacy, or we use local choice pharmacy. They
Yes.
can deliver for you, especially here around Midrand area.
Yes.
So with a vaginal ring, just put it there on that thing. Yes. We will
And then-
explain to you. Then it stays there for 30 days and you're good. You're not gonna fall pregnant. But the chance there is 70 out of 1,000 women will also fall pregnant out of
Wow.
it.
Okay, that's still good odds.
Yeah, then we talk about condoms. Condoms for male use, yes. And we also do have female condoms, remember that, of which most female, they're not using them. Even government has them, go collect them, you know. Okay, so with condoms, it's about 130 women, they fall pregnant
So why is
out
that?
of 1,000. So we can have 1,000 women, you know, and then all of them, we give them condoms. And then 130, there's a chance of falling pregnant. Why is it like this? Let me answer you. Most men, they don't know how to put up a condom.
Yeah, that guys.
This is education for another day, and it's very, very serious. Sometimes
Yes.
condom burst. I will tell you the reasons why the condom burst. Secondly, you know, a woman will be rushing to the clinic. No, the condom is inside, sister. Then we have to take it out. So many
Also
cases.
offered here at Bio-Vigour Clinic.
Please come.
Come through.
Okay, then we have diaphragm, which is a spermicide. That one is about like 117,000 women who fall pregnant. Then we have natural method. This is a funny one. You know, somebody will be like, no, we do withdraw, you know, ovulation, what, all those things. Hey, the chance of
Yes.
people who are doing withdrawal method.
Yeah.
Out of 1,230, there's
Wow.
a chance of falling pregnant because you are trying to calculate things that you can't even see. I don't know, guys, I'm menaced myself, but wow. All right, debate for another day. Then we have those who says, no method.
Not a good option, guys.
Yeah, actually from those 1,000 with no method, 850
Wow.
got a chance of falling pregnant. Then we have babies unplanned. Yeah, this actually brings me a lot of emotions because next thing is termination of pregnancy as they are a way of contraceptive. Termination is not a contraceptive, you know.
Yeah.
It's a terminal.
And I mean, I also don't. I think, you know, there's a normalization now of, you know, this, what you're referring to. But people don't actually talk about the psychological effect that it has on the women that actually do it. I mean, you basically you're terminating a life. So that will always stay for you forever, guys. So please consider these solutions we have for you at Bio-Vigour. Think about your future, think about your family, think about yourself, more importantly, what you want in life. You know, there's a teenage pregnancy, it's such an epidemic in South Africa at the moment, but the thing that's actually causing this is lack of information.
Yeah.
And I want to reiterate the point, that's exactly why we are here. So if this video resonates with you, it resonates with a family member, please send it through to them. We might have a solution that could save them a lot of trauma in their life, you know. And leading back to what we said earlier, we want to make positive impact on people's lives.
Yeah. So with Bio-Vigour Clinic, sorry, we do not offer termination of pregnancy.
Yes.
But we do offer pre and post counseling, meaning that we can counsel you before you go and do termination of pregnancy, and we can counsel you afterwards.
Yes.
So still, we're not neglecting anyone, and
Yes.
it is your choice to do that. I mean, like
Precisely.
according to Department of Health, from the age of 12, you can do termination of pregnancy without even the parent
Yes.
knowing.
Yes.
Because it's your choice, it's your life.
Yes.
You know, and that's it.
100%.
We just give information and
Yes.
we act wherever we can. So guys, come to Bio-Vigour Clinic. It's a lovely clinic with friendly staff and easy access, man. Easy access. So friendly talk, we do take it here. Professional, we do take it here. And everything remains confidential at Bio-Vigour Clinic. Thank you.
100%. Thank you so much for your time today. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment what you would like us to speak about next. We're all about information and enlightening people. Enhance your body energy internally with Bio-Vigour Clinic.